Hi everyone, I'm Wolf from Coslo Scientific, and today I'll be unboxing our next edition in our thermoelectric series. This is the TE-4000, also known as the Alloy Ranger. Right away you can see from the carry case it's got some sturdy hinges, a really nice handle, and even a little nameplate. Everything fits in this one box. It's very easy to transport. Now let's actually talk about the Ranger. At Coslo Scientific, we spent years putting this together. Starting from the bottom is the copper prong. Okay, this needs to make contact with the metal. This is also the heated tip. That also needs to make contact with the metal at the same time. It's spring-loaded. Above that are these LEDs. And when the machine is in use, these LEDs light up. Blue indicates that the probe is cold. Red indicates that the probe is hot. A little further up is the grip, which I think feels really good in the hand. We got a 5-way button that's to navigate and control the machine. It's got a nice size OLED display, full color, very easy to read. On the side, an area for a lanyard, a wrist lanyard, so you don't drop it. USB-C port for downloading your data to your PC for sharing. And this is a DC input, and that's to run it off of line power, or you can charge your batteries. If you're curious about how it works, if you want to learn more about color sorting mode or numeric mode, check out the other videos on YouTube. This is a piece of Hastelloy C276. It's also known as a daily qualification standard. Test this sheet of metal to make sure that all aspects of the kit are working correctly. All right, guys, this is the flash drive. On this is both the instruction manual and an Excel formatted document. So when you're done recording using the Ranger, you use this to download to any PC to save your information or to share it. Here's a wire brush, and this is used for cleaning the prongs of the machine and the heated tip, as well as the daily qualification standard or any other metal that you may want to test. Make sure there's no corrosion, dust, dirt, or paint on the surface of metals. Also included in the kit are 2 sets of replaceable 18650 rechargeable batteries. These batteries are a real workhorse. To swap them out is really easy. All you have to do is just pop off the back cover and replace the old ones, and you should be ready to go. We also provide a USB-C cable so you can make those uploads onto the computer. In this bundle, there's also a lanyard to secure the Ranger to your wrist, so you don't have to worry about accidentally dropping it. If the heated tip gets worn out or damaged, we provide 2 interchangeable heater tips, and you can either replace these by hand or by using a pair of pliers. After taking out the old heater tip, insert the new one and you should feel a positive click. After putting in a new tip, it's important to verify the heater tip by using the daily qualification standard. For more information on this, refer to our video on heater verification or the instruction manual. In the bottom, we've included a DC transformer to power the machine, which comes with several international adapters, which are very handy if you're working in different countries. Lastly, we have a printed copy of the instructions, which goes into more detail about everything in the kit and how to properly use the Ranger. So that wraps up our unboxing of the TE-4000 Alloy Ranger. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments or contact us through email at sales@coslo.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.